Hello family, Gratus Lucado coming your way again with another interesting video. It's been a while that I've posted video, and today I'm here with this interesting video that I want to bring before you. So in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to cut bottles. So like what you're having a look at on your screen right now were bottles that I cut, wine bottles. So I'm going to show you in this current video. And what's the essence of that? To show you how to use them to organize some stuff on your table, like what you are seeing in the picture on the screen right now. So I used these wine bottles which were damped I recycled them, and then I made something useful out of them by cutting them and then putting some stuff in it, making my table to look organized. So without much ado, let's jump right into the video. All you need is a bottle, then a glass cutter. The first thing you want to do is to create a mark at the section where you want to cut the glass with the glass cutter. As you can see, the neck of the bottle, there are some lines. Those are the marks that I made. Then after that, you introduce the bottle to a hot water, or you boil the bottle in a hot water. When the temperature gets high, what you do is you add a chilled water. So adding the chilled water to create some kind of reaction which will make the bottle to break automatically. So when the bottle is very hot, it will crack automatically, or it will break automatically. Cut at the section where you made the mark. But then if the bottle is not so hot, if the temperature is not so high, what will happen is that you have to give it a little bit of pressure by holding it and forcing it to break, like what I'm doing now. So currently I'm just repeating the session, or I'm just doing the same thing over and over again for all the bottles that you be seeing. Now there's one bottle at the end which I cut in a different session, so you want to wait to see that one and how it was, because it was quite different. Now if you're new to this channel, I think you should subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share with friends, because I'll be posting more tutorial on this channel on engineering stuffs and any basic stuff that you can just do yourself at home. So I'll be posting them on this very channel. Now with this very bottle over here, when I tried breaking it the first time, it wouldn't break because the temperature wasn't so high, because um, it was on the fire for some time, and then I decided to pick it for this video, for the purpose of this video, because you might encounter something of this sort. So you could see I'm adding pressure to the bottle, but it won't break because the temperature was not up high. Now look at this. I reheat the bottle again and the temperature is really high now. I can't touch that. I need to use something to hold it, and see what happens while I was trying to introduce the chilled water. Just wait and see what happens. So what I trying to say is that you need to put more what fire, or you need to heat the bottle to an extent, you see, so it automatically breaks. You don't need to put any pressure on the bottle. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, share the video, and like the video. I'll see you in another interesting video. Bye bye.